How 10 minutes of light exercise daily can benefit seniors. What if I told you that just 10 minutes of light exercise each day could change your life? More energy, less pain, a stronger heart, and a happier mind. It sounds simple, but for seniors, it's life-changing. Hi and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the powerful benefits of just 10 minutes of light movement a day for older adults. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You just need a little space and a little time. Let's see what 10 minutes can do for your body and mind. First, your heart. Even light walking can lower your blood pressure and improve circulation. Studies show that just 10 minutes of activity a day can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. It helps your heart pump better and helps you feel stronger with every step. Next, your joints and bones. Gentle movements like seated leg lifts or stretching keep your joints flexible and your bones strong. This helps reduce stiffness, arthritis pain, and the risk of fractures. Worried about falling? Regular light exercise improves balance and coordination. Practicing simple standing moves for a few minutes a day helps you stay steady and more confident on your feet. Exercise doesn't just help your body, it lifts your mood too. 10 minutes of movement boosts feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine. It helps with anxiety, depression, and even memory. It's like medicine without the pills. Even your immune system benefits. Staying active, even gently, supports your body's defenses, helping to prevent illness and keep your energy up. So, where do you start? Here's a simple 10-minute routine you can try today. A 2 minutes of marching in place or stepping side to side. A 3 minutes of gentle seated stretches, arms, legs, neck. A 3 minutes of balance exercises, like holding one leg up while standing near a chair. A 2 minutes of deep breathing and slow walking to cool down. Just 10 minutes. That's all. You don't need hours. You don't need equipment. Just a few minutes of daily movement can protect your health, your independence, and your happiness. So, why wait? Start today, and take the first step to a stronger tomorrow. If this inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this boost. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to move today?